Hey everyone, I'm Ruth. Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'm showing you how I draw a nose with graphite pencils. I got some requests on how to draw the outlines of a nose, and I thought, well, let's show you how I do this. I've got a simple trick and I'll show you in this tutorial. So let's get right into the video. I start by drawing a circle and two smaller circles, and these are the basic shapes for the nose. Then I connect these three circles by drawing a curved line underneath them and darkening this line up. And as you can see, you already have the shape of the nose here. It's very simple and easy to do. Then I draw a curved line upwards and start shading the nose. Very lightly. And then I use my paper stump to blend the graphite out. For these basic shapes, I use my mechanical pencil. It's an HB lead to draw in the basic shapes and the basic shadows as well. And I use my blending stump for shading and blending. Then I use my kneaded eraser to erase some of the graphite and my Tombow Mono 0 eraser to erase the basic circles that I have drawn. Then I darken up the darkest areas of the nose, again with my mechanical pencil, adding some more shadow with my mechanical pencil, and drawing in some detail underneath the nose, some shadow. And on the side of the nose as well, just shading with a very light hand. And then using my blending stump or my paper stump to blend the graphite out. As you can see, this is a really easy way to draw a nose. Drawing three basic circles, one bigger circle and two smaller circles, and then connecting the lines underneath these circles, and you have already drawn a nose by doing this. And to create a realistic look, it's all about shading with your graphite and erasing with your eraser. Just adding shadow with your graphite pencils, blending the graphite together with the blending stump, and then using your eraser to add some highlights to create depth in your drawing. So I keep repeating this process until I'm happy with how the nose is looking. Adding shadow with my mechanical pencil, blending the graphite out with my blending stump. Using my eraser to create highlights. My kneaded eraser as well to create some softer highlights. And then using my blending stump again. And I continue doing this until I'm happy with the result. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get informed when a new video comes out. You can leave a comment down below and don't forget to share my video with all your friends. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye!